Bird flu, or avian flu, is an infectious type of influenza that spreads among birds. In rare cases, it can affect humans. There are lots of different strains of bird flu virus. Most of them don't infect humans. But there are 4 strains that have caused. How bird flu spreads to humans. Bird flu is spread by close contact with an infected bird, dead or alive. This includes touching infected birds, touching droppings or bedding, killing or preparing infected poultry for cooking. Markets where live birds are sold can also be a source of bird flu. There is no bird flu vaccine. The seasonal flu vaccine doesn't protect against bird flu. The main symptoms of bird flu can appear very quickly and include a very high temperature or feeling hot or shivery, aching muscles, headache, a cough or shortness of breath. Other early symptoms may include diarrhea, sickness, stomach pain, chest pain, bleeding from the nose and gums, conjunctivitis. It usually takes 3 to 5 days for the first symptoms to appear after you've been infected. Treatment for bird flu. If it's thought you might have symptoms of bird flu, you'll be advised to stay at home, or you'll be cared for in hospital in isolation from other patients. You may be given an antiviral medicine such as oseltamivir, Tamiflu, or zanamivir, Relenza. Antiviral medicines help reduce the severity of the condition, prevent complications, and improve the chances of survival. They are also sometimes given to people who have been in close contact with infected birds, or those who have had contact with infected people, for example, family or healthcare staff. Between 16th March and 14th June 2024, 42 highly pathogenic avian influenza HPAI-AH5 virus detections were reported in domestic and wild birds across 13 countries in Europe. Thank you for watching my video. You will make me happy if subscribe and like my video. See you soon, my friend.